But ladies and gentlemen, don't judge the book by its cover. Standing in front of you is a fresh 18-year stunner. I am Queen Rian Monoros 18, representing Puro Cuatro Bukana.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Maureen Garcia, 22, Pilusa! Pabuhay. This is Vanessa Albiar, 19, representing Purok 2A.
Tonight is a celebration of beauty, wit, talent, and friendship. Let the glitz and glamour of this unforgettable evening fill this majestic venue. My name is Flower Aguilana, 26, representing Puro 24 Tight Speed.
Wala ba kayong palakpakin siya?
My name is Mara Baronda, 26 years old, representing Puro 23.
Today marks the momentous event of our sisters from the Rainbow community. And with that being said, it is our social responsibility to uplift them in order to achieve gender equality. Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. My name is Al Emanuel, representing the progressive community of Porok 22, San Isidro, Katunga.
Pakpak gamay. Pakpak gamay. Ang di mo pakpak, masulog ilang balay. A pleasant evening to each and everyone. My name is Mikay Ravenna Arcache, 19 years old, proud, honored, and dignified to represent Purok 12-B, St. John!
Ayaw, Gul! Bata, ako, Gul! Ang gabon na inyong ginahaplas o ginahampon, gihimo ng kapsul! Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan! This is Goddess number 8, Queen Zara Cabrera Hindovia, representing from the land of beauty, Purok 15, San Lasa, Bukana. Thank you! Maayong gabi, Cristo Sandawa! This is Mingming Conde, representing from Purok 7, Bukana! My name is Alex Gonzalez, representing Purok 44, Santawa, Phase 2.
Right on the spotlight, put your hands together for our official candidates of the Goddess of Bukana 2022.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our host, Mr. Lenny Carlo Cacos.
Yeah, maayong gabi, Bukana! Hi, everyone. Good gabi sa inyo na rin. Thank you so much for lovely judges.
I could have my Gucci on. I could wear my Louis Vuitton. But even with my tell me what you gonna do. When I do, I want you to touch it up. But it's harder when the morning has a mess. But even with my hoodie on, bet I made you look. Said I made you look. I could have my feet up. Gonna make your glasses stay. Ooh, tell me what you gonna do. Ooh, Versace, try to touch it, but it's harder when the morning has a mess. But even when you look, I made you look. When I do my Gucci on, Louis Vuitton. But even with nothing on, man, I made you look. I made you look. Yeah, I look good in my Versace.
Oh, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our beautiful goddesses right here on stage are already set. I think you guys are ready. Right, Shirley, Our supporters across Bukana are very happy and excited to witness this show and for this round, of course.
I'll go direct to the point. Ladies and gentlemen, as we shown in the picture, that is a physical abuse. And we all know that physical abuse and is a kind of abuse and no abuse should be tolerated. We need to love our parents and sisters because despite of all the stress in their life, we need to stand up in their own. That's what we all think and good evening.
The picture itself, it says global warming. Okay, global warming is, kailangan natin,
A moment of silence, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
para maiwasan ang isang global warming, kaya kailangan nating respeto or ipagsisimula sa ating sarili. Kailangan nating maging respeto sa ating kalikasan para hindi tayo mapunta sa global warming. Thank you.
Daryl, thank you so much. Guys, number 2.
Also to know what is vaccine. We need to vaccine now our generation because we are facing a pandemic and I thank you.
Or our newly elected Vice President of the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, we should always remember that because of Inday Sara, Davao City was hailed as the 4th safest city in the Philippines. And she has actually deserved the position of the Vice President right now. And that will be all. Thank you.
Well, that picture only shows that being a gay is never a sin. Because even Pope Francis himself tells us arguably that gays must not be marginalized, but instead integrated in our society. Because what matters most is for us to be happy, to be living our authentic self. And every good deeds that we have done here on earth, no human can ever judge that except from above. Thank you.
I'm not really sure in the picture, but I believe that it is actually considering the fact that we are in the digital era, and when the pandemic strikes, people needs to adjust. People need to adjust. Education has been really a tough situation for everybody because the face-to-face education is not possible in order for us to deter the spread of COVID. And I think that the technology which we're seeing right now, people are taking advantage to it to its fullest in order for us to save ourselves, to be healthy, and of course, also to be productive. Thank you.
In every position in power comes with a great responsibility. My support is always with BBM as he ran as our 17th president as of the moment. You know what? I support President Bongbong Marcos as he lead the field of agriculture because I know for the fact that Bongbong Marcos has the right combination of knowledge, skills, and intelligence. And it is really evident on her time during the public service. With that, I don't see any problem having Bongbong Marcos right now in the field of agriculture because I know for the fact that he did to make a progress and development of the field. Thank you.
Sa larawang ito ay tinatawag nating kapobryon or ang bata pa na nasugod nga kamot. So I think as a LGBT community, as a part of LGBT community, I am here that I stand in my own because as a transgender woman, I live in a not good situation. But right now, this child makes me proud because I think she is so capable of that she is the one that she's children. So and I thank you.
Thank you so much. We got it.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see in that photo of individual. Because I believe to say that think before you click and think before you click. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe that everything starts with an idea that you believe in making it happen. Thank you.
Ang akong pag-interpret sa picture kay coming out, na kita as part of LGBTQ, dili normal sa tuwa na yung mga closeted gays or closeted mga part sa LGBT. I would like to say, kaya ninyo na ayaw ninyo ipugos.